Have you ever heard of a Juicy Lucy? Well, after today's video, you will definitely try to seek one out or make it yourself. Stuff cheese inside a burger and cook it to perfection. What's better than that? Not much.
Richard,
George,
what are you making today? I want to know. I got to know.
I'm making Lucy Juicy.
Uh-huh. All right. I
Or-
just learned what that was today.
Or a Juicy Lucy.
I think it was the second one.
Yeah, the second one.
All right, it was the second one. All right.
Lucy doesn't like me.
No. and obviously not all of the meat, but you got the meat. Sweats. Good.
I bring the meat.
Good deal. Yeah. And what's the bacon for?
Might as well put it on.
Because bacon's bacon, right? Oh, yeah.
What's wrong with you?
There's tons of stuff here. So we have some Monterey Jack and pepper. This will be the cheese of choice.
That's a cheese's choice.
Cheese of choice inside. All right, good. I'm loving it. I'm ready for it.
Well, George,
I will eat it. I will eat it.
you eat everything.
True. All right.
Anyway, all
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. So, let's do this.
Let's cook the damn food.
Let's cook the damn
Get out of
thing.
here, George. Bother me.
Get that bacon going.
Saw online, someone said you put your bacon down when the Blackstone is cool and it stays straight.
Oh.
Doesn't curl. So we're going to try that.
Okay, so these things are going to have to be somewhat big if I'm going to stuff them.
Yep.
It's good patty. And unlike like when we do the little balls, we don't pack them tight. These are going to have to be a little tighter than those. You know why, George?
Tell me what.
I don't know.
Okay.
George, you tell me.
So you thought I would
so they
tell
don't
you.
fall apart.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I
They
get
don't
it.
want to fall apart.
Yeah, I mean that makes sense. You you're making a well there.
I'm making a
You have that
well.
on camera? I think you do.
And Charlie,
Yeah.
need a piece of cheese.
Wow.
Should have thought about that beforehand.
I can accommodate you.
Should I make enough for everyone to have a half, or should I make everyone their own?
I could have it. That's fine.
Hey, half if you don't want to make a good idea.
Yeah, since we're going to have a bunch of food today. So.
Yeah.
Okay. Right in there.
Uh-huh.
And I did tell you I was going to do jalapenos.
Yes.
So you want to get me some jalapenos?
Oh, sure.
Do 3 there for you.
3.
Oh, no, 3 in the trunk.
Your chunk.
You got more. There.
4 or 5. Okay, great. Yeah, that will work. Why not? Why not? Why not?
3,
That
5,
down.
5. Right.
3, sir.
There we go. Okay.
All right.
We're back. Charlie, give me another piece of. Back just in time for Charlie to help me out again. Thank you.
Alright, little tiny curd.
And
You guys don't mind jalapeno? I know you don't mind jalapenos. Jalapeno fine for you too? Okay. Bunch of Texas boys.
Spicy.
As Al told me, he went down to Mexico, and there was a pepper farm, ranch, whatever. No, pepper farm, yeah. But not Pepperidge Farm, but pepper farm. Pepper, yeah. Anyway, so they're trying all these jalapenos and different peppers and all that, and the guy in charge was like, how's this? You want? And they're like, oh, could you have any hotter ones? And they're like,
Damn it, you boys from Texas. You guys love your freaking heat.
Oh, well, you.
There we go. Yeah, I can't quite get that. Oh, there it is. There. Whoa. Hello. That's a new angle. All right.
That's a new angle.
Woohoo! Yeehaw. All right. Is that better?
Much
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Wow.
Bang.
These are 80/20, so these things that will shrink.
Okay.
I can pick them up. I have a 10-pound limit.
Oh,
I'm not sure I
no.
can pick these up. I
It's
don't
just
want my
about right
doctor
there.
to get mad.
Probably pretty close.
Wow. Dang, dude. Dang. Woo. Wow. All right. What you got there?
Salt and pepper.
The S&P?
The kill-in,
S&P blend.
not killians like we were calling it.
Yeah, remember these close in the middle. Ah, the sizzling. The only sizzling better than that is steak.
I almost made steak bites today.
Okay,
America.
put the glove,
Okay.
put the glove on, and then use your bare hands to put the cheese on.
I put the glove on because I'm going to grab more hamburger meat. Yeah.
America has questions.
Yeah, that's why I haven't chosen yet. Because I don't want to make Donna happy.
No. That ain't nearly tall enough.
I was hoping it was.
Oh man. Oh man.
Maybe if you
He
tilt
did
it
it.
up on the edge.
He did it now.
Not at all.
Yeah. There. Oh no. Maybe.
That's a little more heat for sure.
Still a big one.
Can you move that here?
Thank you.
I'm leaving that bacon grease for my next burger.
So this is looks like a quadruple burger, but you know it is one big stuff patty.
I'm glad it held up. I was worried
yeah,
about
okay.
it when cheese coming out. It didn't do it.
Yep, and you can see the jalapeno.
Jalapenos right there.
Jalapeno sitting in there, and that Monterey Jack right there, and it's all surrounding. Yep, cooked pretty well. Got a medium. It's a medium. And we got some bacon and
Yeah.
barbecue sauce and some pickles
Yeah, medium.
on top.
Medium on a burger's okay.
It is.
Yeah, it's not like a steak. Where
Yeah, it's
it'd be
good.
like,
It's-
it sucks.
It's fine. It's all good. All right, so I'm gonna try and see what I can do
All right,
here.
give me a good face picture.
Yeah.
Or the. Hold on, I need to get your whole head in there. All right.
All right, here we go. All right. Let's see.
Hold on.
Barbecue sauce.
I need a picture of you biting into it for the thumbnail.
Mm.
Or as Scott says, your natural habitat. What you say in your?
Yeah.
Stuffing that thing into my mouth.
No, that's good. Yeah, I didn't get quite enough jalapeno yet. I need to feel that heat.
Get in the middle. Because even though that's a pepper jack cheese, it's not that hot. I mean, Cindy eats it.
Right.
Because Cindy likes things that are not that hot.
She likes it. She likes the little heat. I'm ignoring you.
That's funny. That was funny.
Yeah, you're a funny guy. I'll kill you last. What's the next line? I lied. Yeah, I saw Commando.
Thought you were gonna kill me last. Yeah. I mean, I'm feeling it now. I'm feeling a little bit. And we could, I mean, seriously, you could have put more jalapenos in it too. Would have been even better because it's a lot.
Yeah, if I used a different cheese, I could have stuffed it down further. But that's kind of a.
But I mean, the thickness of the burger itself, it's a lot. I don't want to say it. I'm going to say it. It's a lot of meat.
Disgusting girth.
Yeah. Yeah. You know where that's going. That's going in my George Escape porno file.
George, you can get a lot of girth in your mouth.
I'm just saying.
Let's go to there, George.
When's the last time you had that much meat?
Tell him.
Oh.
Yeah. He did get here before you.
That's where all the prep work went.
He realized the way he said that he insulted himself and not me.
Exactly. All right, no, this is great. I'm glad we have like 3 pieces of cheese for this thing because,
No, I need more cheese.
yeah, I'm enjoying the cheese part of it too, especially, I mean, with cheese added on top. The stuffed cheese, it doesn't make a bit of difference now. The fact that there was cheese inside, but it was a fun process, that's for sure. And no, it's good as long as it's all cooked through, enough, medium. So this is good. But no, I'm enjoying it. Whatever you do for condiments, that's up to you. But
Yep.
I mean, I'm enjoying the barbecue sauce and the bacon we put on it.
Yeah, we could have thrown more jalapenos on top.
Yeah, I mean, this might even be good with like hot sauce or anything else that might be a little bit more spicy. Throw some more spice into it if you want to. I didn't invent it. You could. But anyway, this is great, and I suggest you guys try this because you need to just cook the damn food.
Just cook the damn food.
I might finish this. Damn.
You're gonna be.
What's sorrel?
Huh?
Oh, you said you sore online?
Sore.
You saw it.
Sydney made me.
Sore?
I said that earlier today, and Sydney made me stop and say it correctly.
Correcting you now?
Yeah,
Did you tell her it's God's
I
English?
did. She didn't get
She
shit.
didn't care.
Piece doesn't want to separate. He's like brother on a sister in Arkansas.
Wow.
Oh, there goes my Arkansas audience.
There you
Damn it.
go.
Damn it.
You had 3. Now you have 0.
Just like their teeth.
Oh!
Damn it. I lost all Arkansas.